Haven Skate Shop here in Albuquerque, or Albuquerque, New Mexico. I said Albuquerque because of his shirt. The owl. Would have gotten
Come here,
what's happening?
We got something for you.
Yeah?
Showing us around. Yeah, man.
Sick, guys.
Yeah, dude. Just so everybody's aware, there's these triple rumble strips.
We're at the parking garages of Albuquerque. The locals from Haven Skate Shop showing us up. There's rumble strips, and they're gonna be tight. They're gonna be tight.
Yo, when you look at my eyes,
We gotta watch out for security. We went one level lower, and we're gonna avoid them.
one second the rough relax. They took the whole place, there's nothing to add. The boot is in the roof. Look at this dropping. That's
Early.
dropping challenge. If she got the bend, then just remind me that why dread it's like this, got girls going ahead. I ain't even criticize. I ain't trust something. I don't trust Mike. I date bull daggers. Now I don't trust Mike. Need a friend of me, no, cause they don't trust right. I ain't stingy. And everybody see the clutch life. I ran before the bend, so it look just right. Girls, we try to get the girls that look right.
Yeah. No, bring it over here. Bring the tire over here. Come on.
Are you retired? Yes, man.
Hey, thanks for taking photos this whole trip, man. You killed it.
I
don't want to try that at all. I like hit the ground, it's like my legs don't have this.
Yes.
I got $2. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Let's do it. Come on. Don't quit now. Don't quit now. You're so close.
But instead of going the 12 hours to LA to do dawn patrol on a potentially wet hill, we're just gonna go to Las Vegas and skate a pump track in the morning.
This is what you guys buy.
Burritos and fireworks, man.
This is insane.
You don't know what we're missing.
Look at this. What is this?
Unfortunately, the pool has got a sizable amount of water in it. So we're gonna go to another pool that hopefully has less water or no water.
What if it's got lots of water in it?
Then we'll go swimming and light fireworks.
Where the spot's at.
This thing's hard to ride.
It was walking too hard.
What a kid. Survived unharmed. Only the bugs got it. Next stop, Las Vegas, tattoos.
About to get swifty in Las Vegas, baby.
We made money, lost money. Meanwhile, Vera over here is making it for the kids.
Loudmouth very good.
Verified.
That jackrabbit fall got you. In Las Vegas, man. Never been so hungover in my life.
Lordy, I've been a-working, done give up all that looking. I've been a-dreaming, well, give up all that scheming. I mean, quit my way. They done fooled me once, I know. Match me blow for blow, I should've known better. Said that fight would never fail, neither here nor there, now is it. Your sign stopping that old mockingbird, keep a mocking. Don't you know?
Try and go backwards, and hopefully not ruin my bearings. Skating backwards is bad for your bearings.
Say, follow me in the grave. Headstone won't read. Lord and holy, try.
Hopefully I don't scrape my knuckles. Oh my god, this hurts my tummy so much.
And I've been a-learning, my mind been
It's too expensive in Las Vegas, so we're gonna get Billy to do one for me right now.
It's a nice one. I spent 50 cents on it. Put it right there.
That hurts.
No, it doesn't. Put a hand on it. Yeah.
Oh, I've never had a tattoo before, that hurts.
Let me get more water. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This pain is temporary, but glory is forever.
How's it look?
Surprisingly cool.
LA now?
Yeah, let's drive for 5 hours.
Yeah, come to Vegas and everybody all of a sudden has a gambling problem.
knows it tried.
You guys peeing right beside me. His face is like, I can feel his breath on me.
Why'd you cut the top off?
Why did it?
Because the hole was too small.
Apparently.
Apparently.
Big Pete, man.
Alright, let's get back in the van for another 5 hours. Oh, I feel so bad.
Like the champion.
Nick, until next time, my friend.
I'm gonna run it and say
Whose dog is this? Some random wolf just came in the van.
skunk. It might have gotten sprayed by a skunk, dude. It smells like skunk.
Don't let it in.
We've been driving almost non-stop for the last 3 days, except for the occasional pee break and that kind of stuff.
Bye, America. Good night. Yeah! Next stop, Vancouver, BC!
Better. Lord, I should have known better.
That tasted awful.
All right, now we're done. Let's go skate some parking garages.